Hi guys, it is Soaring Stories, and today I'm going to talk about the changes of my channel. As you know, or probably know, the three animals of Soaring Stories are sea turtles, penguins, and owls. But this restricts my content a lot and makes me lose motivation quickly. So today, I'm going to expand the content on Soaring Stories. First, I'm adding two new animals, which are cats and wolves. Second, I'm going to let myself make a random video every week or so. And lastly, I can make videos about any other animals.